So for the R33, there's a battery. It's in the back. Here's the old one. It's at least 5 years old. You have to remove a bit of paneling to get to it. Maybe about 10 nuts and bolts. Now I went with a Prius battery because of the smaller terminals on here and the size it fits in the back here. So now I'm about to wire this up and start it up. Alright, all buttoned up. That's it. And this is what the trunk looks like. You can barely see the battery back there. Everything's all buttoned up.